Don't worry, it's not you. Seriously, this error almost always means Cloudflare's servers are having a bit of a moment, not that something's wrong with your computer or internet. So what is Cloudflare? Think of them as this massive internet bodyguard and super fast delivery service for tons of websites. They help sites load quicker and protect them from all sorts of online nasties. Those challenges are just their way of verifying you're a real human and not some sneaky bot. But if you're stuck on that unblock screen, it usually points to a hiccup on Cloudflare's end. Maybe their servers are overloaded with traffic, or there's a temporary glitch in their system. Sometimes it's even due to them dealing with a cyber attack on a site they protect, and you just get caught in the crossfire. What you should do and what you shouldn't. First, don't panic and start messing with your computer settings. You really don't need to clear your browser data or anything drastic like that. Try a quick refresh. Sometimes hitting F5 or the refresh button is all it takes to connect to a different, healthier Cloudflare server. Give it some time. Cloudflare is a huge company, and they're usually super quick at fixing any server issues. Wait 10, 15 minutes, or even a bit longer, and try again. Check Cloudflare's official status page. A quick Google search for Cloudflare status will get you there. If you see an incident reported, you know for sure it's not on your end. It's actually kind of reassuring to see. The main thing to remember is this, that please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com message is almost never your fault. It's a sign that the internet's infrastructure is having a tiny wobble. So just chill, refresh, and try again soon. Hope that clears things up and saves you some frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Catch you next time.